I finally decided to have some kind of a tail vise, and for that purpose I kind of took the first vise I bought and just mounted like as it is. The problem is it's kind of used for the purpose of the duck holes in here. So I need to invent something in order for it to actually hold. This is kind of a tail vise, but it's not really a tail vise at this point because I need something to work with the duck holes. And what I kind of wanted to do is experiment, and I literally went through all my scraps and found out a small rod. My objective currently is just drill a small hole here so I can just put this rod inside to whatever the depth I need and remove it when it's no longer needed. And at least this way I will be able to use this vise as a tail vise. And I still have no idea where my electric drill is, so I'm gonna be using antique stuff here and this thing. I think it's actually working quite nicely, and maybe, just maybe, I haven't yet had a good feeling about that, but maybe it's actually easier to do a straight cut down. I'm not crying. Okay. Huh? Perfect. Okay, so now I am finally able to use this vise as a real vise. This thing is not a perfect solution, but it kind of works for now. As a very temporary solution, I will just drive a screw right about here. Okay, now it's working even better than before, but still not the perfect solution, and I will need to find something more reasonable. Here is a very small workshop upgrade project. If you have like a very rudimentary vise, this would be one way of dealing with the duck holes if you really want to. I hope you liked this short video, so please click the like button, and if you like this type of video, consider subscribing to the channel. Bye!